Welcome back to the training center. Mark Galerno. We're going to go through how to set up a Micro-5. This will replace mops. This is a mechanical way of getting solution on your floor, with the right chemical, picking it up, and then being able to dispose of it. So let's set it up. I'll lift the machine up in the air. We'll go to my base, my clutch place system here, and we're gonna just slide it in. You've got your curved squeegee, and then you've got your front squeegee. This machine operates with two squeegee. But bottom of the machine, we're just gonna slowly put it back down. And then with the handle here, adjustable handle, lift, adjust it to the operator size. And then I'm going to take you to the operating board. This is your lever. This will generate power to get the brush to go. Your water, your brush, your vacuum, and your echo mode. Check out our website. Through the literature, it will go through all of the specification. So I'm going to turn the power on, but before I do that, I will pull the battery. Just pull it out. And this battery really comes in with the charger in the box. You plug it in to your plug on the wall, and this will give you 50 minutes of run time. We also have an optional battery, a heavy duty battery, that will give you up to 75 minutes. Let's snap it back in, turn the power on, and then your board lifts up. Green light, so we're ready to operate. And their water level, your vacuum, your brush, and the echo mode really will reduce your water level by 20-25%. Again, very easy. Adjusting the handle. I'm going to turn it on this side here. There's your front squeegee. So when I lift this, right, and my squeegee cable, lower the squeegee, and this will be your curved squeegee. At this time, I'm ready to operate the machine. But before we do this, let's take the machine apart, for cleaning and all of the solution. Just gonna give you some idea how easy this is. So, grommets, you pull them together, and that's my float system for my dirty water. As soon as this tank is filled with dirty water, these float will automatically shut your vacuum motor so you don't get any debris inside the system. So let's put this on the floor. Let's pull the tank by releasing little snaps here. This will automatically come off. This tank you can now take and dump your water in a sewer or in a slop sink. Then your clean water tank just comes off. Put your clean water in your solution. And then there's the mechanical piece. Want to make sure that this is always dry and clean. There's your drive motor. Here's your float system. The float system is really the shut off for the front squeegee and the back squeegee, right? So when you activate the squeegee, front, you'll see the float close. So the squeegee, then the power is going in front. When you release it, it's back in the rear squeegee, the curved squeegee. That click, click. Close your system, your cover's back on, and the machine's ready to operate. Easy, it's simple, and it's nice to operate.